So here we are behind the wheel of the BMW iX. The design phase of this project really started with thinking a lot about the interior atmosphere that we wanted to create. We were inspired by modern architecture. In fact, we wanted to create something like a loft on wheels. So something fairly reduced, cozy seating arrangement, and the screen has grown in size, is curved and has touch functionality. The vehicle itself is technologically very, very complicated and is probably the most intelligent vehicle that BMW has ever built. But it's exactly this kind of technology that has allowed us to reduce the interior design dramatically. We've been able to reduce elements by combining them. This wooden surface, for example, is not just a beautiful surface, it also incorporates some micro switches. And this glass object is not just a decorative element, it is our iDrive controller and it also holds touch functionality. So there is functions that don't immediately meet the eye. We call this shy tech. The technology is there, but not so much in your face. So it's the definite opposite of high tech. So now, let's have a look at the exterior. Inside profile, the iX looks clean and robust, monolithic almost, like a well-rounded stone with some facets sheared off. The car has a footprint of a BMW X5, the roof height of a BMW X6, and the wheel size of an X7. So for us in design, we felt these were ideal ingredients to create a strong design character. And when you reduce the form language to the extent that we did, all the details matter that much more. We've taken great care of every single detail. Things like the door handles, for example, that are completely integrated into the body side, or things like the lamps, where we've created a new and slim light signature, both front and rear, by which you will recognize this vehicle not just as a new BMW, but as the new BMW iX. So with all of this, we believe the iX is much more than a new electric vehicle from BMW i. It is showing how we intend to make mobility more sustainable, more connected, but also easier to use and definitely much more human.
This is a documentary about the iNext. It's visionary, beautiful, electric, intelligent, autonomous. It has Oscar winners, beautiful and smart people, big toys. It's so much, your cerebral cortex won't even know which stimulus to process first. Please, slow down.